The muse has left and the talented musicians are in creative crisis. Nothing calms one down and fills with inspiration better than fresh air, watching nature and of course the ethnicity. The light sound of the acoustic guitar playing along with the ancient Kazakh musical instruments fills up the souls of the musicians and inspire them for the creation of new melodies and compositions. Today, Johnny Gass and Serge Nurmoldaev are going to give a concert together. The Kazakh folk could express their sacred dreams and wishes both in poems, jurau, and in melodies or cues. No matter how many thousands of cues there are with the Kazakhs, there is the same number of legends and tales. According to the ancient tradition, the tale tellers had contests between each other in playing the cues. One day, several elders and horsemen from the Kızılkurt family came to the village of Davletkere to solve the land issue. Between the negotiations, Kurmangazi and his student are playing a cue. Davletkere, a talented dombra player and composer himself, satisfies the request of the Kızılkurt family and later invites Kurmangazi for a visit to enjoy his music and some more. During improvisation, Kurmangazi composes a cue, Nightingale Warble.
Come on, put it up. Gentle and sweet, come on. Close my eyes, counting for the moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes in curiosity. Oh, destiny. All we are is destiny. Sing a song, just a drop of water, let me see. All we do. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Serik Nurmaldaev. I'm a member of the folk and ethnographic ensemble Turan, and today we're talking with Johnny about our travel around the whole Kazakhstan and about our concert that we just had.
Hi, I'm Johnny Gaz and I'm here with Serik Nurmaldaev, and we're talking about our grand travels through Kazakhstan in search for inspiration.
I absolutely agree with you, Johnny.
Excellent.
What was the most memorable in our journey?
Most of all, the concert was fantastic and absolutely amazing. I was absolutely thrilled by listening to the whole group of Turan coming together as one and playing such a brilliant concert. And about being around in Kazakhstan, every step was like a new door opening to a brand new inspiration and to a new sphere of styles of different kinds of music, different kinds of styles of the Kazakh culture.
Frankly speaking, I was very inspired by our art, and today we managed to show it all in our concert.
One day, with the fortune child with the frozen grass and says, one day, the fortune bells again sing, the time has come, one to go to the king. There in the middle of the people cry. It shines upon the world, and the day has just Thank you very much.
You know what? I remember your epic appearance in Almaty. Of course I expected anything, but not appearance in Almaty riding a motorcycle.
Actually, riding motorcycles feeling the breeze and the thrust of freedom inside your soul. It's all, to me, it's like rock and roll. That's how it is actually, and all these, and especially when you come into a different kind of realm of music, like the ethnic Kazakh music, the folk, and its different shades and styles. It absolutely gets you blown away. I don't regret it at all. Meeting you, Sari, was absolutely grand.
Not everyone can simply leave their work and chase the inspiration to the land that they know nothing of. Of course, I give you a lot of credit for that. And it truly proves you as a man of art, an artist. And I thank you too, since I have also heard and seen so much new from you. And I think our experiment went well.
Actually, you're right, yes. You're absolutely on the dot. The thing was, I've learned many things from this whole travel and coming together with you. It was fun, it was work, it was play, it was action, adventure. I mean, the whole spectrum of life. Looking at the sunset, looking at the people here. Through the years as time passes by, many things have come so clear. Again, I know one thing, that is gonna be heaven. Yes, I see the truth. I know there's gonna be heaven. Hey, 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 hey. My, 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 my. So good to be here. Beautiful city of Almaty. In the city of Almaty. In the city.
What was so memorable for you about the Chiryn Canyon? I remember that's where you learned the Katril singing. I think you felt the atmosphere of the canyon and it worked right away.
I think, yes, it takes time for some people, and actually I thought it would be absolutely difficult for me when we met at Chiryn, and this guy, he went on doing that whole Sachmo thing, you know, and I was wondering, actually, I need to try this, and it suddenly happened. I said, like, you got to do it from the chest, you know, from inside your chest, and you got to get those sounds from there. I know it. You have to be in tune mentally, you know, psychologically. You've got to just be there somehow, and it worked at the moment, at that moment.
Once again, Johnny. Do it again. Yes. For a musician, getting inspired by culture, by music, communication with different musicians is logical. During such trips, we also got inspired by nature, sightseeing in different cities. Like, for instance, I remember the song that you composed on the go about Devil's Lake. It was only in the end when I realized that you made this song for that area. How did you call that song?
Yeah, the Devil's Lake.
Devil's Lake.
Well, it just happened at that moment. You see, nature plays a big role, like even in Chirin. And at this place, at the Devil's Lake, with Shaitan Call. And even in Baravoy, in the mountains and the lakes there. You see, nature has got a big role to play when it comes to music.
The lake of the devil is deep, with the bottom to meet the bottomless pit. Under your feet, as the ice melts below, you sink into another world you don't know. Going down. In other words, come alive out the devil's lake. Devil's Lake.
Here in Kazakhstan, you've tried a lot of different Kazakh meals. I tried to introduce you to the Kazakh cuisine, and I think you remembered a lot of it.
I like the bishbarmak very much.
With the sheep head?
Oh Jesus, that was that was quite a failure. Let me admit it.
I'm sure you still got the taste.
I still have it in my mouth. Yes. Don't try it, man. Don't try it.
But actually, it's very tasty.
The rest is absolutely fantastic. You try the hummus. Be careful of the shubat. The shubat is a bit dicey. All right, but the hummus is all right. You can trip on the hummus. Well, the rest is good. The pulov is fantastic. The mante is great. The shorpa is fantastic, wonderful. The kaze is the best. That's what I like. I like a lot of meat, so I like a lot of kaze. Kaze is basically horse meat. And
remember we tried Karin Burme?
Oh yes, that was absolutely good. It was made out of tripe and with meat inside, stuffed and baked. Fantastic. Very, very tasty.
Listening to the winds, the change. Not promise. The future's in there. Feeling everywhere. Blowing like the winds. The change. Pretty much You ready? Thank you. You know what? Thank you very much.
You and I were at a concert today. Actually, not you and I, but our bands, Nuclear Angels and Ensemble Turan, played a lot of things. Well, I think for the future it's a very good project. We've got a good beginning. And our idea is very interesting. Today we played some covers and played in repertoire some of your own compositions, as far as I can recall. So I thought, why don't we play some of the Kazakh melodies? Some compositions that we will compose together.
Perfect. Exactly what I had in mind is like take a traditional Kazakh song. Like you could sing it in the Kazakh language, and I could write lyrics to it, take text in English. So I think that will work out beautifully. We need to keep trying and trying and trying and trying until we get to the point where it's absolutely refined and it's something that people could listen to. Mostly it has to come from the heart and from the soul.
Well, I think we won't disclose all secrets of our future project. Johnny and I will prepare it for our viewers and keep on going.
Yeah, and now you guys, a little thing for you. So keep tuned in, and we're gonna all get together of a new realm of inspiration. Okay, here we go. Cheers.